So a while ago, I cashed out on some hens. I didn't buy a cock though. I figured there are cocks around and I'm giving them hens. So let's do a trade. I give you all some hens, you all give me eggs. I never heard a man complain about this agreement, guy. But I've been noticing, every time these cocks are parading around, eating the food that I kept for my hens, by the way. But I've never seen them touch one of my females inappropriately. Selfish cocks. I never knew selfish cocks were a thing. What the hell, man? So now I'm finna have to buy a cock or cocks, because now every time my cocks, my hens be lonely. Who knew you could have a selfish cock problem? Who knew there were selfish cocks? Ah, who are you to judge? Yo, guys, Nwa Uto is out. Yo, do you know Nwa Uto Igoo Mmuo? Please don't be a selfish cock, guy. Share this stuff now. Share my music now. Make videos with it. And something interesting now, but I was talking with my G, P. P is female, by the way. And I didn't realize how erotic Nwa Uto is. You know, I was trying to channel communion, Igoo Mmuo, a man going more his woman, but sex is communion. You know what I'm saying? Sex is communion. That's how you can contact bad things by having, you know what I'm saying? And you can contact good stuff by also having, when you have sex in the dream, it's communion. It's not bad. It's when you have a wet dream that is not ideal. Maybe I should not be complaining about selfish cocks. Maybe they are worried about my hens having a sexually transmitted infection. Baby girl from